What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. If this is the first time you're watching me, hi, my name is Irma, but you can call me Irmita, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I am so excited to show you guys the mystery box I got from Beauty Creations. But before I do that, I do want to mention that I do have a tutorial on this makeup look. Something very vampy, great for fall, and literally right up my alley. I'm so proud of this makeup look. Hopefully you guys like it. I will leave the link to that video around here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, do it. It's free. Also, don't forget to turn on the little bell so you can get notified every single time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is the box that I received. That's where my address is at, so that's why I'm covering it. I don't need no psycho outside of my house. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Before I show you guys, I have to say something. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. So I did use one of the products when I received it, because I received this box about a week ago. And then second, I do film English and Spanish videos. I filmed both of the videos and they came out great, but I forgot one product, so I deleted the whole thing and I am filming it again right now. So I did swatch a couple things, but I will re-swatch them for you just in case if they look used. I swatched them before I filmed this video that you're watching right now. So let's go ahead and open it because I know you guys are here for that. So this is how the inside looks. Really pretty. I get fall vibes and it comes really protected. I do want to also mention that everything came in bubble wrap. Really protected, and this bubble wrap is so cute. It has little hearts, which I think is so cute. And plus, I don't know if you guys are, but I am obsessed with these little bubble wraps. I could literally sit there like a little kid and like go at it, literally, and these are so much fun. So the first thing that I got and the first thing that I actually used is this beauty blender. So it is Beauty Creation blending sponge. And guys, I have to admit that I am obsessed with it. I really liked this sponge. It says Beauty Creation on the side, and it has this little side right here. So what I did is I used it under my eyes. It is perfect for under my eyes, and then I used it on my nose and then around my mouth. I am obsessed with this. Really soft. I might even like this more than the Beauty Blender. I have to say, I might like it more than the Beauty Blender. So then the second product that I got is the Flawless Stay Primer Stick Matte. That's what it looks like. And it looks like this. Very pretty packaging, guys. I love that all their stuff is baby pink. And it twists off. It looks like this. It's a balm. So I'll show you quickly on my hand. It's clear, but it's really soft. Really soft, and it smells so good. It smells like a chapstick, but I don't know which one it is, but it smells so good, and I cannot wait to use this on my face. I do want to mention that I do have their glow primer oil, and guys, I am obsessed with this. I've been using this for about a month now, and I really like it. And then I've only used that much, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna last forever. And this is not greasy, it's a hydrating oil. And then also from Beauty Creation, I do have their Flawless Stay Poreless Primer. It smooths and refines pores. Guys, I use this on this makeup look and my face looks blurred. I love this stuff. So I'm pretty sure that these two together, might as well use the three of them together. There's gonna be a great combination. So I'm so excited to use this. Honestly, I'm really excited. So the next product that I got are some lashes. These are 3D mink lashes in the style Hyped. And that's what they look like. And I will show you the curl if anybody is interested. That's what the curl looks like. Very pretty curl. Very pretty lash. I cannot wait to use this and do an eye tutorial for you guys. That would be very pretty. Now the next product that I got is a large face definer. A very pretty brush. It does come with a protector, which I really appreciate. And it's really, really soft, guys. So personally for me, I feel like I'm going to use this as either blush or to blend out my whole face. I like to do that. I like to apply the products on first and then blend it out. So I cannot wait to use this. The next product I got is the angled brush, and it looks like this. And this brush looks really pretty also. And it's really, really soft too. So personally for me, I would use this to define my cheeks or contour, bronze, whatever. And then I would apply blush also, maybe under my eyes or in my T-zone. There's so many ways you can use brushes, guys, not just one way. And then also I got 6 lippies. Yeah, guys, 6 lippies. And there are all these shades. Super, super pretty colors. I will be swatching them for you guys. The first color is Sweetheart. And it is the lightest one out of the whole 6 shades. I love how the bullet comes. It's really soft and it's really, really pretty. So I will swatch it right here. Okay, so that's the first one. It's more of a nudie, like a nudie shade. The second one is Bare Naked. Ew, Bare Naked. Okay, that's what it looks like. This color remembers me of Pumpkin Spice Anything. Very pretty shade. Now, the next one is called Obsessed. And it looks like that. Oh, this one is really pretty. Yep. Really, really pretty shades. The second and third one are literally up my alley. Those are the shades that I like. The first one, not so much, but I know the first one I could apply it in the center of my lips or I could use it on my eyes. So I'm happy about that. The fourth one is called Barely Naked. Okay, Beauty Creation, I see you with your naked self. So that's that color. Very pretty. I'm really impressed that they literally send me 6 lippies. To me, the 6 lippies by itself is a lot already. And the next shade is called Donati. I think this is the darkest shade. Yeah, this is the darkest shade out of the whole 6 lippies. And that's it. And that's that one. That's a really pretty color. And the last one is called Totally Nude. I love the names. I love the names. And there you have them. These 6 shades on my hand. I don't know. I think if I was to choose 3, it would be this one, and this one would be my favorite. So it would be these 2 and this one. But then again, I'm happy I got like these 2 because I could always blend these 2 with any of these and it's going to give me another like lip look or lipstick color, which I really like to do. I really like to mix my lipsticks and create a different color. So the next thing that I got is this mini pro palette. It's the volume 1, which I don't even know if they have more volumes. I'm assuming they do because if not, they wouldn't put volume 1, right? But I don't know how many volumes they have. It comes with a mirror. And these are the shades. Really, really pretty shades. I'll swatch some for you guys in a second. Okay, I'll swatch this one right here. It is called Desert Sun. Desert. Right there. Really, really pretty shade. The next one I will swatch is Copper Lights, which is this one over here. And I'll put it right here. Ooh, this one's really nice. I love how it reflects light. And then the next one I will do is guys In the Heat, which is this deeper red. I'm gonna place it right here. It's pigmented, but not super pigmented, but it's still pretty. And then I'll swatch one more for you guys. I'll swatch Sahara, which is this like orangey yellow shade. I'll put it right here. Oh, that's really pretty. Really pretty shade. So yeah, they're really pretty shades, guys. I cannot wait to create a eye look with this. Have any of you guys tried anything from Beauty Creations? If you have, let me know in the comments. What is your favorite product from Beauty Creations so I could look into it? And then the last one, the one I'm really excited about, is this contour and highlight like palette. It does come with a protector. These shades came up with a protector too, but I don't know where it went. And these are the shades, guys. I know some of them are a little too dark for my skin, but I do plan to use them as either... I could use these tools as highlighter, which I do have some on my nose. I applied some on my nose and some on my cheek. I used this color right here, which I'll show you guys again. Like, it's really pretty. And then I'll apply some here on my nose. Like, a little goes a long way, if you can see. Really pretty. So I can use these as highlights, but the rest I'm going to use as bronzer or contour shades. And then I will use them all for shadows, which I'm really excited to use them as. I'm very excited with everything I got, and I'm very pleased. I got 8 out of 10 products, and to me that is amazing. If you guys have ever received a mystery box from them, let me know in the comments and let me know what you got. If you have any videos on them, let me know. I would love to watch them also. And that is all I got in this box. So now what I think I'm going to do is order the foundation that they have. I'm not sure if they have a concealer, but I know that they have a foundation. I will order the foundation and I will do a full face using Beauty Creation, which I think will be kind of cool. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments or give me a like and I'll know that way also. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it right here in the screen. And don't forget to love yourself. Don't forget to tell yourself how beautiful you are. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Live open, vividly, and endless. I swear to God.